In this quick video, you will learn how to create an elimination style match in WWE 2K25 without using the elimination chamber. First of all, this method works in quick play, universe mode or any other mode where you are able to customize the match rules. So go to custom matches and select the match you want, like a normal match, but make it an 8-man or 6-man depending on how many superstars you want. You can choose any arena, for example select main event or raw. Once you are at the match options screen, go to match rules and set these options. First of all, set your pin or submission to on and knockout to turn off. You can also turn off your disqualifications, and this is the main part where we need to turn on eliminations so that we can use the elimination settings for our match. And then you can simply turn off this false count anywhere option and time limit option to no limit, and this setup will create an elimination style match without the chamber. Everyone fights at once, and when someone is pinned or submits, they are eliminated. The last person standing wins, just like in an elimination chamber match, but without the pod structure. You can use this setup with any match type that supports multiple superstars like Hell in a Cell, normal, extreme rules or even a tag matches. And that's how you create a custom elimination match in WWE 2K25 without needing the elimination chamber. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found it, then please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.